Well, yeah, I was a teacher, and I work with my wife on the east side of Houston. And when we were leaving, still in the school zone, there was this big truck that didn't respect the speed limit and crashed all over us, getting most likely to the side of my wife on the right side. The car was total, and it was a very difficult process because I believe I had a concussion. My wife got the worst part. We were very lucky that the airbags work properly, and it was a day before my bachelor party. So I was supposed to pick up my little brother that was coming from my country, Peru, and I remember in that same night, my insurance asked me in a very rude way to pick up my truck because they couldn't have it that night, and I was telling them I'm still in pain. So my main concern was looking for a place, a law firm that can provide us with legal advice, take care of our case, but also to help us find a place that can help us with our injuries. And we found that in Amaro Law Firm. Ms. Mosqueda helped us a lot through the whole process. She responded kindly to all of our questions. My wife called her. I called her many times, and she was very kind, very professional, very respectful, and we feel very glad as a family that we came across with Amaro and with Ms. Mosqueda. I came across Amaro, and I remember the reviews were very good, and that's what I consulted with my wife, and then we thought that Amaro Law Firm was our best option. I was most in touch with Ms. Mosqueda, and one thing I can say is that she listens. She listens. She is very honest about how the case is going. She provides us with updated information about how the case is going, and tells us the expectations, and that's something that I really appreciate. I will go for 4. I'll go for 5. I just don't like odd numbers. I would give 5. I would give 5. We knew, and I also was able to explain to my wife what type of case we were getting into. We were surprised about how my insurance performed, but we were and we are thankful for the fact that Ms. Mosqueda kept it very professional and told us, yes, these are the expectations, this is what we can do, and this is how far we can get. And I think honesty is one of the most scarce values nowadays, and I'm glad that I can find that with Ms. Mosqueda.